Hey, Petty Fam, we're doing Chrisseanrock shows off her $2.6 million house and the baby. Congratulations, Chrisean. I'm so proud of her. So happy for her. Okay, mama, let's see what you're doing. Let's get into it.
Your plans to have more kids? Do you want more kids in the future?
I always knew I wanted to be a mom. I always knew I wanted to have 12 kids. So one down, one on the way, and what's the last? 10 to go. So. Hey, it's Chrisseanrock. Hey, Chrisseanrock, you here.
Hi, Chrisean. How are you adjusting to your new life and your new home as a mom?
So how I'm adjusting to my life as a mother is to just grow with it, roll with the punches, and have fun with it. I've been having fun being his mom. When I found out when I was pregnant, I was hoping it was a boy, but I felt like it was a girl. I don't know, maybe because I'm a girl and I honestly wanted a girl and wanted a boy. I probably wanted a girl more. Like my mother had 12 kids and I'm the 11th, and me and my little brother is the 12th. She had golden kids. So with my hectic life, for 9 months straight, it was way more hectic than this. But my whole 9 months, I stayed still, just handling what was in front of me. Like, okay, dropping music or film this toxic TV show. I was like, I don't want to drop music right now. I'm not in that spirit to drop music. I didn't really have time to think about, okay, let's drop music. It was more like, just take your time with everything. Like, I was trying to take my time. I didn't want to take away from my vision, so I just held off for it for 9 months straight. And when the baby dropped, I'm like, yes, here, let's go, Junior. He just gave me so much joy.
Aw, that's so sweet. That's so sweet.
So I just was so happy. I was amped up. I was motivated. I get to work with Fashion Nova. I get to do this. I get to do that. How I heard about Fashion Nova when I was a little girl, and Cardi B was really popping that shit about Fashion Nova. Then had her own line and shit. It was like, Fashion Nova must be cool to wear because she making that shit look good. So then I became a brand ambassador when I had like 200,000 followers. And then when I started getting the clothes, I was like, I like this shit for real. But then when I elevated and became like more famous and stuff, I got back into Fashion Nova because it started showing love. You guys have great hospitality. I know how to treat your models and brand ambassadors. The closet is cute, y'all. I think what I want to do first.
I like your closet, Ma.
Hold on. What am I feeling? I think that me being a mom, I need to change my style. I honestly was taking my time because I was handling things with my son's surgery and stuff in Baltimore. So I didn't really make time to shop. I didn't make time to be a girly girl, so I was in my tomboy area, okay? So I just thank God that something pushed me to do something girly. My advice for all the people that's new to the mommy shit, I think you have to stay positive and give yourself enough time to breathe and think when you need it.
I like her closet because I never thought about putting my boots up like that. So she got her boots elevated so that way you could see them and then plan ahead for your outfit. I'm going to have to try that.
Okay, so Fashion Nova, I don't know what they did, but they made some Timberland boot heels. Fuck are you talking about? Was comfortable. Wore them all day and I didn't take them off. Usually you take heels off. Even the ones that look like this. Okay, so I want my legacy to be remembered by staying true to myself and love and God. I don't know. And share my testimony.
Amen to that, girl.
Welcome to the backyard. Me and Junior home is so beautiful. If I ever have an episode I need a break, have family, I will take a walk in my backyard and take deep breaths and thank the Lord. Because what the fuck? Hold up.
Thank the Lord, but who making her mad?
Make some noise. This is awesome. What the fuck? And I'm so thankful Fashion Nova is a part of this vlog. I always wanted to document my success, and you guys are doing it great. And the reason why I won't take these hospital bands because first of all, I put it in order at the jeweler, Raphael. Hey Mike, he's making my bangles, my gold. It's gonna look like this, but with a plate with all the data. Then I might cut these off, but this is history, this is love, this is, oh no, it's just so sentimental, it's just so hard, and who else is doing it? It took a lot to get here. I wouldn't change anything that I went through. Every failure or disappointment turned into a lesson. I'm just thankful for the people along the way because it really matters. It really does. I like to be around people that know God and have a relationship with God because that's what journey I'm on. So it's like when I tend to mix with people that don't have that, it never works and it always backfires. Or I'm always in a situation where I'm sad about, I don't know. Just be grateful for the relationships you do have and you do make, and just cherish them.
Oh, she's so sweet. I love her dearly. That's great. See, God bless you, girl, because she really doing it. And she out here, she doing her thing. She her own person. She popping. She a mom. And she already got the habit that she's constantly with her baby. So I love that too, So her kids are lucky to have her. That's for sure. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.